tell you is today's discussion. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and share this video so we can spread the information out to the masses. Now, some of the hacks and tips and tricks I talk about here are a secret to load a checking account with nfcu or Navy Federal Credit Union, 6 hacks that Navy Federal won't tell you and why you should use them, an approval hack, and more base points to earn that will count towards your Navy Federal Credit Union internal score that you can check off your list. So, watch this video all the way to the end to get all of my hacks because they work and you can use them here in 2022. So, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it so we can spread this information out to the masses and you won't regret it. So let's begin. First hack: Navy Federal credit card payment deferrals. So basically, all this is you can get your credit card minimum payments deferred. So in other words, what I mean by deferred is you can skip your monthly minimum payment on your Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. But don't just do this without talking to a customer service representative first. And don't do it unless they give you the okay and you guys make an agreement. Okay. Now, to get this, you need to call up Navy Federal. You have to qualify for this also. You have to have a good reason of why you want to skip your payment for this month. And it could be anything, it could, but it should be that you're in a financial hardship, right? Maybe you lost hours on your job, you lost wages, you got a pay cut, who knows what it is, you know what I mean? But you have to have a good reason for this. Um, okay, and then you can get it, then you'll be able to skip 1 month. And also, the benefit to that is that Navy Federal will not mark down a late payment on your credit report. They would just report the credit card account as, current and in good standing also as well. Okay. Next hack: mortgage forbearance. So now, if you have a mortgage with Navy Federal Credit Union, you can get you could have it so that you will not have to pay the mortgage payments on your house for up to 18 months. Okay. Um, and how that would work is typically with a lot of people, they would start you off with 3 months and see how things go with you. And if you're still not able to make your mortgage payment, or you have not made started making your mortgage payments after 3 months, then an extension would automatically kick in. Okay, which will Navy Federal, they will write you a letter to your home and letting you know that if you do not make the next mortgage payment, that your mortgage forbearance um, plan will be extended an additional 3 months. And after those additional 3 months, if you don't make a mortgage payment again, it will be extended. But they will be writing you letters to let you know that you have options to pay on the insurance payments, and you have options to pay on the escrow payments too, also as well. Now, if you have it included in your mortgage that you do not have to pay the insurance, then you don't have to worry about that. But if it's not, then that you should discuss with your mortgage representative at Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay. And also the taxes on your home, you want to figure out a way how you're going to pay that to also as well. Now, if you do not pay the escrow and the taxes, then what's going to happen is it can cause your mortgage payments to go up after the term of your mortgage forbearance is over. Now, mortgage forbearance only means that they're going to put a pause on your payments, okay, until the period of your mortgage forbearance is over. And then you will have to start paying your mortgage payments after, whatever time, whether that be if you're on a program for a year or 3 months, 6 months, or 18 months. That's when it would kick in, and you would have to start paying your mortgage payments. If your mortgage payments go up by any dollar amount, they will let you know. They will write you a letter in advance. Okay. Now, that can happen if you do not pay at least the escrow payment. Okay. So just keep that in mind. That is available at Navy Federal if you're in a financial hardship. Next hack. Now, for many Navy Federal uh, mortgages, uh, if you're shooting for buying a house, okay, what you want to do is you want to keep your DTI, or debt to income ratio, at 43% or less. And why is that? Because most lenders, they prefer a debt to income ratio that's lower than 36%, but no more than 28% of that debt is going towards servicing a mortgage or rent payment. Okay. So you want to keep that in mind, right? You want to stay lower than 36% if possible on your debt to income ratio. And that applies to mortgages. Debt to income ratio also applies to credit cards. It applies to a lot of other financial products with Navy Federal Credit Union as well. Okay. Now, next hack. You can fund your new Navy Federal checking account with a credit card, right? And by doing so, you'll be using other people's money, basically. Now, you want to put as much money as you can into your checking account, because this will help with your internal score with Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, the internal score, it goes from a score of 100 up to a score of 450. So you want to get as close to that 450 as possible, right? For approval for credit cards, it's going to be between the 260 and 270, right? Next hack. Now, if you're eligible for both a new credit card and a credit limit increase, then what you want to do is apply for the new credit card first, and then later on, um, put in for the credit limit increase, right? Apply for the credit limit increase, right? So, that's the best out of the two options, right? Apply for a new credit card first. That's if you are eligible for both, or say you pre-qualify for a credit card, but you're eligible for a credit limit increase at the same time, right? And you feel you have a great chance of getting it, then your best option is to apply for the new card, and then later on get the credit limit increase. Okay. Now, next hack, to get into the Navy Federal Credit Union ecosystem. Now, this is a special technique here, or a special secret, I should say, because you want to get into the Navy Federal Credit Union ecosystem, and you can do that by becoming an authorized user on a person's credit card, and that person is a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, right? Preferably, you want to become an authorized user on a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. Okay, that could be your uncle, your brother, your aunt, grandmother, cousin. It could be anybody. Okay, it could be a friend. It could be whoever. All right. If you like to purchase authorized users from a company, all right, or a service, then try to get a Navy Federal Credit Union authorized user. Okay. Because that would help you to get into their ecosystem at least. Right. And if that person has low utilization, that's even better. If they have a long credit history with the Navy Federal credit card, that's even better too. Okay, and that will help you too in the long run, when if you decide to become a member in the future of Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, now this authorized user, it reports to your credit, all right, all the three credit bureaus, all right, and that will help increase your credit score also as well. So long as that person keeps low utilization on that credit card. Okay. Now, you can load up an N rewards secured credit card, and it can graduate in as little as 3 months. Right. That's another way to get into the Navy Federal Credit Union ecosystem, also as well. Okay, if you're new to Navy Federal. So that's all I got for you guys for today. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe below, hit the thumbs up, and share this video with everyone. Make sure you hit that bell notification after you subscribe so you don't miss any of the hacks and tips and tricks that I share on this channel and all of my videos. So from all of us here to How to Get an 800 Credit Score family, stay safe, be